Hello my friends, Sylvia here and welcome to my channel, Granola Visions. I'm going on a hike today and I'm not going to be able to take the trail all the way to its end this morning. I only have a short time, but I really wanted to take you on one of my very favorite hikes out here where I live, called the Lewis Creek Trail Hike. And you get to basically walk alongside a creek that is flowing year-round. It does get lower this time of year, but it's gorgeous. It's a great trail for beginners. And it's taken care of. Pack it in and pack it out, my friends. Let's take care of our Mother Earth. There are only a couple of areas of challenging crossings here. So there's two options that you have as you come onto the trail. You have to cross the creek, and this time of year the creek is low, and there's usually a log or two placed there for hikers.
Looks like a better choice.
You can see there were two choices there. There's a lot of beautiful foliage out here. I decided to take this crossing. I just love the types of plants that grow around the creeks and the waters, especially in summer. It's just interesting to see what plant life is surviving this heat, because they get to be by this creek all day and get this beautiful sun. So now that I'm crossed, I'm going to join up with the main trail for this hike and share with you some of the beautiful sights along the way. I'm always amazed at how much beauty lies out here in this forest. With the tree cover and the creek, there's a lot more green in this area than I could imagine. That's what makes this trail so magical. Coming this early in the morning, I'm avoiding the crowds, which is nice, because this trail does get crowded in the summer, especially on the weekends. You want to do an early morning hike to avoid the crowds. There are many places where you can hike down to the creek and just sit and relax and enjoy the sounds. Stick your feet in the water. It's a really nice little hike here. Goes out for about 1.5 miles to the end of the trail where there's a falls. I won't be reaching that point today, but that's okay. I just want to share with you some of the awesome things that I find along the way. And just give you a taste of this awesome trail. Couple of things to keep in mind. I'm talking right now, but I'm doing a voiceover video over this video, so it's really nice when you're on a hike to try and hike without talking for a while. If you're by yourself, obviously that's pretty easy. And avoid using headphones or any kind of noise making, and enjoy the sounds of the forest. And allow your mind to take you where it wants to go. And allow nature to show you what answers lie ahead for you, to show you how to feel calm and at peace, and to show you your true purpose and your visions. And most of all, just let yourself rest in this beauty. The main highway does ride alongside this trail as well, so you will sometimes hear sounds of traffic. And people live in the area as well, so you may hear their cars or tractors or other things in the background at times. But for the most part, this hike is really quiet. I'm always surprised at how many wildflowers are still blooming and doing their thing through the summer. I love these little purple trumpets and this beautiful bumblebee having a good old day. Well, my friends, I must say farewell for now. I just really feel this hike is something special. I wish I had more time today to explore, but I'm so grateful that for the last minute invitation so that I could start my day with this amazing display by my beautiful Mother Nature.